Hi everyone, welcome back to WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video I will be showing you how you can create a Twitter account. So for that, first of all, you tap open the Twitter application. This is the homepage of Twitter. Here there's two options how you can create an account, that is continue with Google and create a new account. Here if you tap on continue with Google, your Twitter account will be directly opened or created through the Google information, and then your Google and the Twitter account will be interlinked with each other. You need to tap on create account. First you need to select your language. You tap on the language that you prefer and then tap on next. The first thing you need to provide is to provide your name for the Twitter account. Type in your name. Below, you need to provide the phone number or the email address. Type in your email address or the phone number for the registration of your new account. And at the end, you provide your date of birth. Then tap on next. Customize your experience. Here, you need to make sure that the checkbox is tick mark and then tap on next. Then click on sign up. A code has been sent to the email address of yours. You need to go and check out your mail. So there's the Twitter mail on the top. Tap upon that. And from here, you need to copy this code over here. Tap on copy and paste it on this text box over here. Paste the code over here and then tap on next. This will verify your email address. Now you need to provide the password. And then tap on next. Now you need to provide a profile picture. You tap on upload and from there you can choose a picture for your profile. Here I'm just gonna skip this process for now. Here on this page you need to provide few information about yourself, like your bio. You can type in few detail about yourself over here on the text box and then tap on next. I'm gonna skip this one as well. You can provide the information as required. So you need to have a username for your Twitter account. So this will be the username of your Twitter account. If you are not okay with this one, you can just change your Twitter name to something else. So this is the new username that I have just changed. Now you tap on next. What do you want to see on Twitter? So here you need to choose a 3 different topic to personalize your Twitter feed. I'm just gonna tap on 3 random and tap on next. Again, you need to choose a few more topics that you are interested and to want to see on your Twitter feed. Tap on those. Tap on next. So the final process is you need to follow at least 1 account before you begin. And with that, you have created yourself a Twitter account. So this is how you can create a Twitter account. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you.